Girl fight.
It's Super Secret TV Formulas, the show that brings you TV's tried and true recipes. In this episode, the characters who acted gay but couldn't be gay.
Could we stop at the mall? They're having a shoe sale.
The Evil Twins. 2 characters for the price of 1.
Of course, you could tell that Mr. Spock was evil because he had a goatee.
And a very, very, very special Family Ties.
Blew it.
Our team of experts makes TV technology simple, so you, the viewer, can understand your favorite programs better.
Hello?
TV's favorite recipes revealed. Next on VH1's Super Secret TV Formulas.